Okay, go ahead.
Bring it out here, Callie.
It's stuck.
Oh!
Maybe we have to cut this apart.
Here. Go ahead, push it. Is it a big box?
This is
Heavy, isn't it?
Now what?
Wow, it's a heavy box today.
You need to open it? It is a big box. You want me to open it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, why don't you sit on the couch there? Okay, Gilly, I'm going to put you down. There you go. Yep, it's a box. That's right. Box. It's Callie's birthday, and she got a box.
What's inside it?
Don't know. Let's see what's going on.
Maybe we have to open it.
Okay, look out, girls. Look out. I have a knife. Look out. Let me cut it.
Keep back.
Watch your fingers.
Watch your fingers. Keep them back. Yeah. Box.
Wow. What's inside?
Go ahead.
Wow.
We'll open the flap, baby.
Birthday card.
You need some help?
No. I just have to be a little careful. This envelope.
That's all you're getting.
I just have to think there wasn't something. Maybe it's an envelope.
Want some help, Callie?
No. Okay.
It's in a box, too.
It says, "My happy birthday to my friend, Mousy. $4 to 134 legal."
It says, "Wee, yippee, you're 3." I'm sorry, you're 1, 2, 3. Dear Callie, we've got cuteness. You've got cuteness, yes you do, and lots of birthday sweetness too. Have fun being 3. Love, Aunt Katie, Uncle Andrew, and your friend Luke. Hugs and kisses. You want to see your present?
Yeah,
You want me to get it out of there for you?
yeah. What is?
That's bubble wrap.
I love bubble wrap.
I know you do. Look out, girls! It's coming out! My, what a sizable gift it is. You want me to unwrap it, or do you want to unwrap it?
Unwrap it.
You want to unwrap it, okay. Let's take this out of here. Okay, that's enough with the popcorn. Thank you.
I'm shooting popcorn.
Okay, kiddo. Here we go. Come on, unwrap it. Pull. You might need some help, and that's okay. You want some help?
Yeah.
what is it? Oh,
It's a new trust box. It opens.
wow, Callie. Look at what you got. Dress up stuff. All right.
Okay, look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yeah.